Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable, the lectors, the Honorable brother and sister, ladies and gentlemen, and also my beloved friends. First of all, thank you very much for the time given to me. Thank you for watching this video. Uh, because in this video, I want to present a topic about quantitative research, a journal I mean. So, um, First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Andriano, with registration number is A1M2 18013. So in this video, I want to present the topic about the effectiveness of using WhatsApp Messenger as one of mobile learning techniques to develop students' writing skills. So this study had been written by Fathy Said Abdul Fattah from Qasim Private College in 2015. So the first one, technologies in language learning. So rapid change and incredibly development of information and telecommunication has affected all aspects in our life, actually learning environment. So learning environment has tried to use this system in helpful in learning process, and even if Evans in 2008 say that portable technologies has been demanded by most of the modern learners who oftentimes are forced to study. And actually, it's not only helpful for a teacher but also for students, because in using the digital communication, or in this era we can say it's learning, mobile learning, so we can traveling and it's not limitation when we want to study. Okay, the next one. So, what is the importance of mobile learning in education? So, Berger in 2001 stated in some points. The first one is we can learn in anywhere and everywhere, and a freedom organization in and out of the classroom. The next one, collaboration among students all over the world in geographically transparent connections to nets and remote sensing and integration of information. Okay, the next one is what is the mobile usage? So in teaching, it consists of three parts. The first one is use the text messaging features to reinforce vocabulary learning, and the second one, use the text messaging to increase our writing skills, and the last one is use mobile phone memory to distribute listening material. Okay, next one. Do you know what is WhatsApp Messenger? So I I think you all know what is WhatsApp Messengers actually. So WhatsApp Messenger is one of telecommunication or application in telecommunication that allows its user to use their internet to connect, to send a message, or to share each other. So the problem we get in this study is what is the effectiveness of using WhatsApp techniques to develop students' writing skill, and the purpose is uh, to, dis, uh, to study the effectiveness of using WhatsApp messengers as one of mobile in teaching. Okay, so the hypothesis of this study consists of two parts, as you can see. A, besides me, it consists of hypothesis comparing the experimental groups and control groups, means scores on post-test, and hypothesis comparing the experimental group, means scores before and after the treatment. Okay, so the method in this study consists of, the first one is design. So the design we used in this study is quasi-experimental design with a pre or post test. Okay, and the next one is participants. So participants in this study consist of 30 students of fourth level in Qasim Private College involved in writing course, and the sample divided into two groups, that is controlled group and experimental group, and then student ages were between 2 until 35 years old, and the instruments consist of questionnaire, there is pre and post test. So the content of the test consists of three main points. The first one is punctuate paragraph, the second one is correct sentence structure, and the last one essay writing. And the program consists of 5 elements. The first one is pre-writing. So in this pre-writing, teacher made a group called writing program, that is students include them, and they have uh, each topic every week to talk, and it consists of uh, describes the picture or write the several topic. So the students can write their brainstorming to state their topic or describe the picture. And the next one is drafting. So after they brainstorming in WhatsApp group, they send their brainstorming. So the next one, drafting. So they draft all the brainstorming in their mind, and what they have written in the group. So and the next one, I mean, is reviewing. So after they write in the next day, they are reviewing, they check what is wrong and what is correct in their writing. The next one, editing. If they find the mistakes, they should editing. And the last one, after finish and correctly check, they publish that. So the next one, we go to the results. So after we get the pre and post test, we can check in SPSS, we can calculate that. And as you can see, as the hypothesis 1, we can find this. That is, you can see t value is 3.713 and seek to tail is 0.736. So it means that there were significant difference between the two groups in favor of the post test. The next one, as you can see, the t value is 5.105 and seek to tail is 0.060. So it means that there were significant differences between the two groups in favor of the post test. And the next one, the third hypothesis we find in the next one is the t value 7.863 and seek to tail is 0.000, I mean. So it means that there is a statistically significant difference between the mean scores of the experimental groups on the pre-test and post-test in legal vocabulary in favor of the post-test was verified. Okay, so the last one, the hypothesis, we found that the t value is 9.745 and seek to tail is 0.000. So it means that there is statistically significant difference between the mean scores of the experimental groups on the pre-test and the post-test in overall vocabulary in favor of the post-test was verified. So that is the last point. Thank you very much for your attention, and I close. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.